हादसा दूसरों के साथ हो तो बस खबर है, अपने साथ हो तो दुर्घटना।
घर कब आओगे?
देखिए सुपर क्राइम टाइम, अपना ख्याल रखना।
नमस्कार, हॉट सीट में आपका स्वागत है। आज हमारे साथ एक बड़ी खास मेहमान है, एक ऐसी शख्सियत जिन्होंने कई दशक राजनीति में बिताए और विभिन्न प्रकार की पोजीशंस पर उन्होंने अपना काम बखूबी निभाया। एक समय में वरिष्ठ कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ता, पूर्व मंत्री, पूर्व राज्यपाल श्रीमती मार्गरेट एल्वा हमारे साथ हैं। मार्गरेट जी, स्वागत है आपका। वेलकम एंड थैंक्स सो मच फॉर टेकिंग टाइम आउट फॉर नेटवर्क 18 मैम। It's an interesting book, ma'am, that you've written, and Courage, Commitment, written by her. ये किताब लिखी है मैडम ने, थोड़ी लंबी है, करीबन 350 पेज की है जो मैंने पढ़ी। बट ये जो किताब है मैम, ये आपकी एक प्रकार की एक जीवनी है। You've shared lots and lots of your experiences in this book. Tell me the one most important message जो आप देशवासियों के साथ शेयर करना चाह रही हैं इस किताब के जरिए।
I would say, as I've said, you need courage to survive in politics or to keep up the commitment that you make in life. I was a small town girl who walked barefoot to school in the rain in Mangalore. And from there, it's a long journey which took me on to become a lawyer and then to come to Delhi, to Lutyens, Delhi with my in-laws in parliament. And then my own life which opened up unexpectedly. I never wanted to go into politics. I never even dreamt of it. But circumstances took me in, and having got involved in 69 after the split of the Congress with Mrs. Gandhi, right up to 2008, I must say the story is really a story of courage.
But yeah, it's interesting that you say it's a story of courage, because right through the book, I also see that you have attempted to put together various strands of thought. आपकी अलग-अलग वक्त पर जो आपकी सोच, जो आपका रिश्ता गांधी परिवार के साथ था, इंदिरा गांधी, राजीव गांधी, सोनिया गांधी, आपने सभी के साथ आपने काम किया।
पीवी नरसिम्हा राव
के साथ आपने बीच में काम किया। लेकिन एक इंटरेस्टिंग कोट मैंने देखा पेज 134 पे, जहाँ पे आप डिस्क्राइब करती हैं कि जब आपके पिताजी आपको लेके गए तत्कालीन प्रधानमंत्री मोरारजी देसाई के पास, और कुछ झगड़ा हो गया था शायद आपका और सरकार के बीच उस वक्त, एंड द लाइन दैट यू हैव स्पेसिफिकली यूज्ड, आई फाउंड दैट क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग, that you were told by Morarji Desai in the context of Indira Gandhi, do not trust that lady, you know, and you've written in the book, your exact quote is, I have never forgotten those words. थोड़ा इस पे प्रकाश डालें मैम, आप क्या कहने का प्रयास कर रही थी?
Morarji Desai was very close to the family. In fact, we called him Kako, which is uncle. And he always treated us as children. कभी-कभी एडवाइस देते थे, कभी-कभी डांटते थे। और पार्लियामेंट में जब मैं ऑपोजिशन में थी, और यू नो आई वाज यंग एंड वोकल एंड फुल ऑफ एनर्जी,
यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द शाउटिंग ब्रिगेड इन पार्लियामेंट एज यू डिस्क्राइब,
बहुत लड़ती थी, तो मुझे सुन के नाराज होते थे। एंड ही कंप्लेन टू माय फादर इन लॉ कि क्या-क्या बोलती रहती है, क्या इज्जत नहीं है क्या, शी डजंट रिस्पेक्ट माय एज एंड माय एक्सपीरियंस, कल की लड़की है, यू नो दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग। So my father-in-law, who was very close to him, they had been in jail together in Yerwada for 3.5 years. So he said, we have to go and call on him, and insisted that we go. तो साथ में गए हम लोग, and my father-in-law told him, you know, Indira ji has brought her to parliament. She owes everything to her in parliament. So she has to toe the party line and fight back. So you shouldn't be upset.
तो क्या आप वाकई आप अपने आप को, अगर मैं कहूं कि आप अपने आप को किसका अनुयायी मानती हैं, यानी whose follower do you really look at yourself? इंदिरा गांधी, पीवी नरसिम्हा राव,
I am nobody's follower. I am nobody's follower. I am a congresswoman who have believed in the ideology of the Congress, and my commitment has been to the party. But Morarji Bhai said to me, you are fighting so much for her, don't trust her too much. She has used all of us and thrown us out.
Is that a valid perception?
That was his, because he had his differences with her, and he was eased out of finance, then he resigned and lived to become the Prime Minister. Therefore, when he said that, you know, it struck me. And of course, a few years later, I was expelled from the Congress with my Karnataka, if I may say so, establishment with Devarajas.
Right.
Because we demanded an elected president of the KPCC.
Right.
It was considered anti-party activities and we were all expelled. So those words stuck in my mind that after all we did, this is what happened.
इंदिरा गांधी जी ने आपके साथ ऐसा किया. So,
But she brought me back.
and she then brought you back as well, much like what Sonia Gandhi did. You know, you were out and then you were brought back as a governor, which I'll come to in a moment. But मुझे ये बताएं मैम, चूंकि आपने इतना लंबा समय, it's such a long time you spent with different generations of the Gandhi family. The Congress's equation of the Gandhi family are all too well known. Do you believe it's impossible for the Congress party to survive without the Gandhi name?
Listen, I'm not a fortune teller and I'm not talking about what can happen, may
But since you
happen.
worked with them, that's why.
No, I mean, they have a certain aura and a certain leadership which they have given to the party all these years. I mean, during Indira Gandhi's time, they used to say, you may agree with her, you may disagree with her, but you cannot ignore her. She had a certain grip on men and matters and politics. Rajiv ji was different. He came in by accident.
He was more of a friend to you, wasn't he?
We were more like colleagues, you know, and he treated all of us as part of a team.
आपने लिखा है किताब में कि
History.
कैसे जब आप उनको पहली बार जब मिलने गई और
हाँ.
आपने कहा कि सर, you refer to him as sir,
He had
उन्होंने कहा कि
become
नहीं
prime
तुम उसको
minister.
सर क्यों बोल रही हो?
यही बोल दिए. He treated all of us more like equals, as teammates. And it was easy working with him. Then of course came the phase when P.V. Narasimha Rao stepped in, a different generation, a different method of functioning, his own ideas. In fact, when I used to fight and say, sir, please take decisions, you are not taking decisions. He says, not taking a decision is also a decision. So that was his philosophy, कि when you don't have to, when you don't want to decide, just sit back.
But you know, you also mentioned the context of Narasimha Rao that somewhere you felt let down. You know that उन्होंने आपको कैबिनेट मंत्री नहीं बनाया उन्होंने
नहीं
आपको
बनाया।
बहुत बार उन्होंने फेरबदल किए अपनी सरकार के दौरान लेकिन आपको छोड़ दिया.
वो ही
क्यों?
नहीं. I was sworn in independent charge. उसके बाद मुझे पूछा कौन सा पोर्टफोलियो चाहिए. मैंने बोला जो आप सही है, something with you I would like to work. Then he gives me MOS personnel, which is down from independent charge. When I objected, he says, you want to be independent of the Prime Minister also? You are reporting to me as Minister personnel. And then later he gave cabinet rank to a number of people. But he ignored me. He's always had the feeling I was too close to 10 Janpat, I think.
ये आपका जो जीवन है, मैं इसी पे आ रहा था मैम, आपका जो जीवन है, इस किताब को पढ़ के जो मुझे लगा कि आपका जीवन दरअसल देखिए गांधी परिवार के ही इर्द गिर्द कहीं घूमता रह गया. जब राजीव जी की मृत्यु हुई, जब उनकी हत्या हुई, तो कुछ लोगों ने आप ही के खिलाफ आरोप लगाया कि आपका कहीं उसमें कहीं इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं था. इंदिरा जी के साथ आप थी, लेकिन इंदिरा जी के साथ भी एक दो बार आप बाहर हो गई थी पार्टी से. फिर देखिए सोनिया जी के वक्त भी आप पार्टी से बाहर हो गई थी. ये इस मार्गरेट एल्गर और गांधी परिवार के बीच का जो रिश्ता है, ये क्या है? इसके ऊपर जरा प्रकाश डालें.
I don't know. Fate and circumstances
दोस्ती, दुश्मनी, ठंडा, गरम.
dictate events. But I must say one thing. Why they said it about Rajiv Ji's assassination was that I was in charge of his final programs. The question was, why did you send him to Tamil Nadu? We told him not to go. He insisted. He said we had to go. I've mentioned it. So, of course, it was all clarified and cleared because he had given a handwritten program for Tamil Nadu in his own hand,
जी जी.
which was proof that he had decided the program, not me.
Right.
But events sometimes in our lives are not dictated by us. Things happen, they get undone. And I have taken things as they come, Bhupin. Sometimes they are in your favor, sometimes they are against you.
मैं देखिए बड़ी एक मजेदार मैंने एक वाकया देखा कि आप एक महिला डेलीगेशन के साथ आप जर्नैल सिंह भिंडरावाले को आप मिलने के लिए गई थी जब ऑपरेशन ब्लू स्टार के ठीक पहले, और आप गई और आपकी उनसे मुलाकात हुई और आप उनको कह के आई कि हम शांति चाहते हैं, और इंदिरा गांधी जी का मानना था कि शायद आप अपने मकसद में कामयाब होंगी. क्या हुआ जब आप भिंडरावाले से मिली थी? जरा उस एपिसोड के बारे में बताएं.
it was an all party women's delegation. और अरुणा असफ अली जी was the leader. हम सब एक पूरे एक स्पेशल बोगी में गए थे, पूरी रात भजन, नेशनलिस्ट सॉन्ग.
आप भी गा रही थी साथ में?
सब साथ में गा के गए और उधर तो ब्रेकफास्ट हुआ गोल्डन टेम्पल में. उसके बाद हम 5-6 लोगों को तो अंदर बुलाया गया विद द लीडर वाज
भिंडरावाले.
no our team leader
Your
was
team,
Aruna
Aruna
Safari.
Vasari, that's right.
So we went and we were very warmly welcomed. He sat there with 2 or 3 or 4 of his people. And Aruna ji spoke. She said, you know, Punjab is bleeding. This is the land of heroes. We want peace. We want development. Our women are weeping because their sons are getting, you know, either killed or there are problems. So she spoke very, very kindly, mildly. He listened. He seemed to be such a gentle, soft person to talk to. He said, I too want peace. I want Punjab to enjoy development, but not at, he used this word, not at the honor, at the cost of the honor of the people, my people. So, well, we did what we could. We were given a scarf and something, I think a bangle.
Kada and Prashad.
Kada. And then we had a big meeting in Jallianwala Bagh, where we spoke, paid tribute to the martyrs and so on.
Would I be correct in saying that you were beginning to feel more and more uneasy within a changing narrative of the Congress party? कुछ बदलाव हो रहा था कांग्रेस में
I've never
जिसको
felt,
लेके आप कुछ uneasy थी?
I've never felt uneasy, Bhupen. What happens in the party is everybody's responsibility. It's not one person's party or one person.
But hasn't Congress, ma'am, always been ruled by?
No, I think
by,
we,
let's
we
say, one
have the
individual?
working. No, we have the working committee. You have the party office bearers. We look after different states, and it becomes our responsibility to give feedback, to keep you know, the cadres going in those states. I looked after 8 states. Showed the confidence that Sonia ji had in
फिर
my
भी आपने
capacity to
इस्तीफा क्यों
manage.
दिया 2008 में फिर भी कांग्रेस पार्टी से?
क्योंकि मेरे differences मायने openly, I'm telling you, let me clarify.
जी.
I never called a press conference. I never went anywhere.
आपने सिर्फ एक इस्तीफानामा लिख दिया, एक
No,
resignation letter.
there was a journalist whom I was very informally familiar with, who used to come home here and there. And he just walked in and said, Madam, have you seen the list? So many sons and daughters and others have been given seats. Why is it that only your son and Jafar Sharif's grandson were left out? Why have they treated you like this? I mean, it was a provocative question. I should not have fallen for the bait.
You fell for it.
I said, अरे बाबा क्या जाफर शरीफ का ग्रैंडसन और मेरा बेटा कोई टेररिस्ट हैं क्या, स्मगलर्स हैं क्या, पता नहीं क्यों उनको छोड़ दिया और ये सब लोगों को डाल
लेकिन
दिया।
आपने अपने इस्तीफेनामे में लिखा कि लोग पैसे देके टिकट ले रहे थे,
बात सुनिए,
टिकट्स बिक रहे थे.
ये बाद में मैंने बोला टिकट्स जो कर्नाटक में लोकल लेवल में दिए गए हैं लोगों को, they were actually, many of them were given for a price, they were being sold. And I have proof actually with me, though I didn't say it to the
कभी
press.
दिया आपने? Did you ever
To the
give
press.
that proof to Sonia Gandhi?
When I met her, I said, ma'am, I have proof, I can produce letters.
And what did she say?
She didn't want, she said, Margaret, when elections were on in the other states, this was not the subject for you to speak about, you know, to the press.
So what does that tell you about Sonia Gandhi then?
No, that they it's true, I was the general secretary and I couldn't damn the party. That's why I said, I'm sorry, ma'am. She says, you have embarrassed me. In the sense that you could have come and talked to me or somebody, there was no need to talk in the press. And I appreciated that. So I said, ma'am, you brought me into the AICC. And if you feel that I have embarrassed you, I will go, I will send you my letter of resignation.
मैं ये समझना चाह रहा हूँ आपसे मैम कि और बहुत से दर्शक जब मैं इंटरव्यू कर रहा था तो मैंने आई पुट दिस अप ऑन माय ट्विटर एंड फेसबुक टाइमलाइन एंड आस्क्ड पीपल, बहुत से दर्शकों ने मुझसे ये पूछा कि मैं आपसे ये पूछूं कि क्या ये सच नहीं कि कांग्रेस की जो सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत है वो डिनेस्टी है और आप उसी डिनेस्टी को प्रमोट करने के लिए कहीं आप उसमें मोहरा तो नहीं बन गई थी कहीं?
I don't think,
You don't think dynasty is a
I
problem?
don't, this question of dynasty and this and that, I don't even want to talk about.
You think Rahul Gandhi is a deserving inheritor of the Gandhi legacy?
Why not? When Rajiv came, everybody said the same. इसको क्या experience है? Pilot था. He proved to be more than what many others would ever have dreamt. So therefore, let us not judge people even before they start functioning.
Okay.
I don't think it's fair to sit in judgment on other people. They have got their plus and minus points. Do you think every single person who comes into politics becomes a great leader overnight or becomes a great success.
But all this Robert Vadra,
No,
Priyanka
all that you
Gandhi,
forget about.
Does this not impact the credibility of the Congress party?
I'm not concerned with
You're
that.
not concerned
I do not
with
even want to talk about it.
क्यों है मैम ऐसा? राज्यपाल को मतलब एक प्रकार का एक मोहरा एक बना दिया गया है कि जो केंद्र कहेगा वही
नहीं,
राज्यपाल
बहुत कुछ
करेगा।
कर सकते हैं. I used to go to the tribal areas. I used to review the budgets for tribal areas, which was the responsibility of the governor in the tribal dominated areas. I was chancellor of all the universities. I used to have regular meetings with vice chancellors in Raj Bhavan, finding out what their problems were. I cleared their financial constraints. I got appointments made to all the universities where there had been so many vacancies. There are so many things a governor can and must.
Does it happen? Does it happen?
It should happen.
But
Why
if-
not? Not meddle in political affairs
अगर
and,
मैं आपसे ये कहूं कि मान
and
लीजिए
go
एक
round.
बार अगर लगा दिया जाए कि जो एक एक्टिव पॉलिटिशियन होता है उसको राजभवन में नहीं जाना चाहिए, क्या आप इसका समर्थन करेंगे?
नहीं, मैं नहीं मानती हूँ. It depends upon how you behave. If you want to behave like the super chief minister,
Then don't do that.
then you are going to run in trouble. But if you can be a senior advisor, a guide, a help,
So you were not a Hansraj Bhardwaj in that sense, who became the
I
governor
don't
of
compare
Karnataka,
myself
your
to
home state,
anyone.
and got
But even today people appreciate that I was accessible and yet I didn't create any conflict or problems as governor.
चलिए अंत में मुझको ये बताइए मैम, आपने जो पूरी किताब लिखी है, मैंने शुरुआत में आपसे पूछा था that one message, that you're trying to send to the people. Let me put it this way to you. What is that one message that you're trying to send to the Congress party? Or that the Congress party, that
Not
you
to
would
the
like
Congress
the Congress party?
My message is essentially to young people and to women that politics is not a roller coaster ride.
Right. ठीक.
Politics has its ups and downs. You need patience, you need commitment, you need most of all a sense of service to the people.
Okay.
If that is there, then you become a success. Otherwise, you become a self-centered person who thinks only of his maybe promotion, his own interest, and has no concern for what is happening outside.
ओके मार्गरेट जी, इट्स अ गुड बुक, और जितने भी इसको पढ़ने वाले हैं मुझे उम्मीद है कि उन सबको आपकी जीवनी से पढ़ के काफ़ी कुछ कांग्रेस पार्टी की फंक्शनिंग के बारे में और भारत का जो राजनीतिक इतिहास रहा है पिछले 3 से 4 दशकों में काफ़ी कुछ जानने को मिलेगा. आपने हमारे साथ बात की, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
थैंक यू सो मच.